Today we're building a mystical forest composite. Start with a forest background and add a character or creature. Mask the character carefully using soft edges to blend into the environment. Next, create foreground foliage layers by adding leaves or branches blurred with Gaussian blur. This simulates depth. Add midground fog using a soft white brush and low opacity. Add mystical light sources, tiny glowing orbs or fireflies, using the brush tool set to color dodge. Adjust their brightness with hue/saturation. Finally, color grade the full composite with a cool teal and warm gold gradient map. It creates